In this video, I'll show you how to export all URL redirects in CSV format from Shopify. First of all, make sure to be logged into your Shopify admin account, and then select Online Store, and then click on Navigation. Within the Navigation section at the top right corner, look for View URL Redirects. Let's click on it. On this page, you'll see the list of all URL redirects available on your site. To export them, click on Export at the top right corner. To export all the redirects, make sure to select the second option, All URL Redirects, and then for the Export As, there are two options, CSV for spreadsheet programs or plain CSV file. I'm going to select the first option and then select Export URL Redirects. Now you should receive an email with the download link to a CSV file. So let me just log into my email account, and there's the email. Let's open it, and here's a CSV file. Let's download the local computer, and there it is. Now let me open Google Spreadsheets and then select File, Import, Upload, and let's drag the file right in here. And there it is. Once the file is imported, you'll see two key columns right here. The first column contains redirect from path, and the second one, redirect to path. So that's all I want to show you in this short video. I hope you found it helpful. For more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.